Number 15 says the fourth graders are going to the theater to watch the movie version of a book they've all read. We have the different groups and how many people are going to be coming in that group. It says each row seats 9 people. How many rows will be needed to seat everyone? So I want us to focus on this word everyone because that's going to tell us really our first step is if we need to figure out how many rows to seat everybody, first we have to figure out what that number is. What is everyone? So we could add up all of these numbers together. So 7 plus 8 is 15, 1 plus 9 is 10, so this was 15, this was 10, 15 plus 10 is 25, plus 1 more is 26. Put the 6 down here, carry my 2. And then I would go 2, 4, 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 10, 11, 12. So there are 126 total people. So I need to figure out if there are 126 total people and I'm dividing them up into rows. Each row seats 9. So I'm taking 126 people and I'm putting them into groups of 9 so that they can all fit in their rows. So I could use long division in order to figure out this problem. I could also do partial quotients, or I could do division as sharing with the place value, but I'm going to personally choose long division. So let me move this out of the way so I can make a little bit more room for myself. So then 126 goes in here, and I'm dividing it by 9 because 9 people can fit in each row. So then I can cover up this part for just 1 second and say 1 divided by 9, that's not going to be helpful to me. So let's move over. 12 divided by 9, that's going to be more helpful. So how close can I get to 12 when I count by 9s? Well, the closest I can get is just 9, right? Because the next number is 18, and we know that's too big. So my 9 goes down here, and 9 times 1 is 9. So then I subtract to find my remainder. 12 minus 9 is 3. And I bring down my next number, 6. So once I've done that, then I start my pattern over. So I divided 12 divided by 9. Then I multiplied. 9 times 1 equals 9. Then I subtracted to get my remainder. And then I brought my next number down. Now I start over with dividing. 36 divided by 9. How close can I get? Count by 9s. 9, 18, 27, 36. Ooh, I said the number 36, right? So the closest I can get to 36 is 36. And in order to do that, I multiplied 9 times 4. Okay, because when I skip counted, I put up 4 fingers. So then I would subtract again. 36 divided by 6 is 0, so that means that I don't have a remainder here, and there's nothing else for me to bring down, so I can just stop. So that tells me 126 divided by 9 equals 14. So there will need to have 14 rows in order to fit everybody.